Yeah. Hello friends. So today I'm at my front of my house. So let's take a explore. I'm gonna take a structure, guys. Yeah. What is it? Looks going to rain, but it's not raining because it was a windy day. It was cold right now, but there's no snow today because I'm Indonesian. Yeah, look at this. It's the place. Yeah, I used my old body. It's going to the whites are getting yellow. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, by the way, let's go here first. Yeah. Here are my neighborhoods. Oh, there's a new lamp. There is a new lamp. Whoa. So cool. Dude, there's someone. Help! Help me! Help! 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 Help me! Dude, where am I? Just where am I? I'm gonna do that animation on a plus real quick. Oh, guys, where am I? Where am I? Dude, I'm getting placed on here. Dude. Hello? Hello? Is there someone here? Dude, help, bro. I'm getting kidnapped. Oh, hell no. Dude, what should I do? I think I'm getting kidnapped. I'm just getting dragged. And I was lose consciousness and then wake up in here. Let's try kick the door. Dude, I can't. Guys, I don't know I'm getting logged on here. Even the flashlight can light up because the phone battery is gonna run out. Dude, help! Help! I'm getting up, but it's too hard. Okay, one last drink. Okay, let's get out. Let's get. Okay, run. It's our house, guys. Let's storm into our house. Guys, that was literally scary. I'm getting kidnapped, guys. Oh my god, guys! I just got kidnapped by someone that I don't know. Look, there's a house right there. I kidnapped this house, and I run this for. Insane. By the way, guys, this is really scary, guys. I'm traumatized for life, and I don't want to come out of the house forever. And thank you guys for watching this video. And I hope you like and subscribe, shares, and comments, and turn on notification bells so you won't miss other of my videos. Okay, bye.